Hello and welcome to my bathroom. We are going to be doing a bathroom declutter. So we're going to be going in here. I'm going to put you on a tripod, but before I do that, I just want to show you this drawer because there's nothing that's actually going to be leaving. This is like my everyday skincare drawer. There's some stuff that's just kind of out at the moment. So I actually thought that I would have to go through this, but this is looking good. Okay, so time to go inside. I have not done like a pre-declutter or anything because I wanted this to be what things are like naturally or what they're looking like right now. It's a little bit of a mess. I think we can move that for now. I'm actually, I'm gonna move some of this stuff right off here because it's gonna stay just some deodorant and then like some soap. It's a bit of a small space, at least in my opinion, that does need some organizing as well. But I'm actually not gonna do much organizing today simply because I'm moving in about 3 weeks. So it's all gonna be packed up in the next week or two, so we can organize at another time. So let's start off. Okay, I think you have a decent view of my bathroom, or what we're going to be doing. So we're going to look at this drawer first. I think it's going to be really quick. Then we're going to go underneath. This right here, which I think you can see, is just feminine products. So there's nothing that's going to be, we're looking at there. There might be some, oh, like what is this? Interesting. Okay, I'm going to have to go through this. I had no idea this was here. Okay, so let's take a quick look in here. It's a bit of a mess, honestly. Okay, so this guy is gonna go. This is my Clarisonic. Time to finally say goodbye, and this is actually full, this cartridge. So the whole thing is gonna go. I'm not gonna actually like throw it. I'm not gonna throw it out, but it's gonna go. Everything else, you know what? I'm actually also gonna get rid of this mirror. I have never used this since moving in, so I don't need that. Okay, this is empty, or this is full. I'll keep this. This is some kind of scrub. I have my my salt cup, my menstrual cup. I have some hair products up here. Hair. This is my dry shampoo, air dry foam. Something needs to happen with this. This is just going on too long. I have my safety razor. This was the packaging that it came in. I don't think I need that, so we can recycle that. Some toothpaste. I think this is all good. Let's look down here. Okay, oh, and there's stuff in the back. So, only a couple things from the top. Maybe this one is more of like a let's reorganize situation, because this is okay. We're down here, and there's no real rhyme or reason why this stuff is here. Mostly it just fits. Okay, so this is a face mask that was supposed to be in this bottom drawer here, but there hasn't really been room. It looks like there might be now, so I'll just put that on the floor. Okay. This castor oil has been in my bathroom unused for 3 years. I did not know what to do with it. I don't even remember why I bought it. I recently found some uses for it, so I'm actually going to remove this so it's visible so I can try out some of the uses. We'll have to see. Okay. What is this? Again, like just another, do we see this? Another random bag. I'm gonna have to go through this, see what's in here. We'll do that after. Okay, so a couple of purple masks, they can stay there. This I don't need. This can go in the garbage because I have this foundation. Okay. I have these temporary tattoos. I don't know what to do with these. I've had these since like 2017 or 18. Actually, they might even be older. I think I got them when I was still in school and I was a resident advisor. I don't know what to do with these. I think I just might have to toss them. So these are gonna go. Bye. Also, these brushes, I haven't used them since moving in. I haven't even thought to look at them. I think I might just keep one, the blue one, and I'll give this one away. Do we see this? How it's like actually somewhat empty. I love that. And I think now I can put my little Saison pouch inside. Oh, I have two. There we go. They can go inside. Now, let's get on to the main event, the main reason why I'm here, which is this. This is a drawer full of a hair, like a hair drawer for all of my hair stuff that has never been used and is just kind of going to waste, and it's just like full for no reason. So let's just go through it. I know there's some not hair stuff in here, so we'll get to that when we get to it. This is like a little handkerchief. I don't use this. I won't even think about using it. This can go. This is a black hairband. Oh, and this one too. I'm known that these two are in here, not exactly what I love anymore. I do like the knotted headbands, just not this style. So these two can both go along with this black headband. Okay, this one is really pretty, and I'm gonna go put this out with my other headbands that are, they sit somewhere else now. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm just gonna move it. I think I'll keep these two and then get rid of these. This one is like a velvet one that has just like never been able to get clean, and this is like a small black one. I think a lot of people might find this small black one like a bit of a classic. No, I'll keep that one and then I'll get rid of this one. So I'll keep three. Oh, because as I was saying, it's a bit of a classic. I haven't worn this because I don't even know that it's in here. So, okay, let me retract that again. I'm going to try it on after so it can stay up there. The bandana. I don't even know why I got this. My feeling is that I got it because I wanted to be like some kind of cool girl aesthetic, but it's just not my aesthetic. So we can get rid of that. Oh, hair buns. I have two. My hair is brown. Can we see a little bit? So I think the brown one would be best. I'll get rid of the blonde one. So we'll keep that. I have all of these little clips. I think that they are great. They just need to be somewhere else. So this should just move because I don't even think of looking in there. Okay, this is one of my oldest hair dyeing clips. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a hat. Not a hat. A processing cap. There's two in here. Okay, this is what I use to like clip my, when I'm coloring my hair, I'll put a towel around my shoulders and I clip the towel in the middle with this. We can keep that there. This, I think, should move. That will move. I think I need like a little jar or something to put all of my hair clips because they're just, I don't know how else I'll think about them. Do I keep the processing caps? In my opinion, processing caps are only useful for bleaching, which I don't do, so I think I can get rid of them. And I have colored my hair once in the last 3 years myself, and I have not reached for it. Okay, this is a sad day. Maybe not sad. This is a razor. Not a razor. What's the word I'm looking for? I can't think of it. We can see what that is. It's for cutting hair. I used to have an undercut and I bought it to maintain that. And then I was cutting my partner's hair for a while, for a couple of years. But he is now bald and has his own routine that he does not need me for. I'm gonna ask him if he wants this. My guess is he's gonna be no, because he already has his method and it works great for him. They're all gonna go. I don't need it. I will likely never need it. So all this can go. Ooh, that feels good, guys. This is nearly empty now. That belongs with that set. The hair cutting set. Okay, I very poorly packaged the charger into this. I have a personal microderm I bought years ago, like 2019 maybe. I had every intention on using it. I don't know why I didn't. I was so excited about this. I looked into it. I am going to look into it. I don't remember why I bought it or why I use it. So I'm going to take this all out simply because I want to make sure that it's on top of mind, that I look into it, I do what I say I'm going to do, and actually figure out if I'm going to keep it or not. If not, there's like 5 things here. So this is all going to come out. This is exciting. I basically have an empty drawer here. Let's now, I guess I'll leave that for now. But I have these 2 bags of, I don't know. So I'm going to take a look at these in a bit of a time lapse. And you'll see me sorting through them. So let's do that now. Okay, so I figured out what those 2 bags were from. These were the bags I put random stuff in when I was moving because I didn't know where else to put them. I get it now. So I am keeping some stuff. I'm getting rid of some of it too. I actually found these towels. This one was given to me by Alia Skin, and this was with something else that I bought. I'm gonna clean them because I don't know what, like, yeah, they're going on my face. I have some laundry that's gonna go in soon, so I'm gonna put those to be clean and then put those with the rest of my towels. I also found reusable cotton pads. I said in a video I had some, and I have not been able to find some, and I was actually going to thinking about repurchasing them, but I found them at the last minute. I've also, by the way, been looking for these. I knew I had some, I didn't know how many. I just found so much random stuff. Another toothbrush, yay. I'm actually thinking that maybe like some of the stuff can go where like there's already a place for it, but others there is no there's no place for it. So I'm gonna have to organize this. I'll show you the declutter pile in just a second. I was thinking about maybe keeping this, but I don't actually like this makeup bag, and I have those 2 Cezanne pouches I like better, so I'm gonna declutter that as well. Okay, I actually think I know what I'm gonna do with this stuff here. I'm gonna put it in, I have some mini containers that are by my bedstand. I'm gonna put some of these in there, and then the rest I'll put in here. Okay. Time to put this stuff away. Okay, this is what I was using originally, what was in my nightstand. All the other clips, I don't know where they went. I feel like they always just disappear. So this one here is small enough where I can just like put it on the side. So these ones are the ones I had originally, and then these are the big ones that I added. So I'm gonna put the big ones on the bottom and then put these, I thought they were small, but comparison to these ones here, these ones are the medium-sized clips. So I'm gonna put the medium-sized ones on top. And normally there's like a scrunchie or 2 that go in, and I only have 1 of them on it. So there it is, and it goes in my nightstand. Now, what I've gotten rid of. Let's see the little pile. Okay, in total there's about 40 things here that I am getting rid of, and honestly this is overdue. This stuff should have left before I even moved here. So I'm very happy we're finally getting it out. That's everything for me today. I hope you enjoyed my mini declutter. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again around here soon. Bye.